Feline fumbles, hilarious epic cat fail compilation with comedic commentary. Cats, known for their grace, sometimes bite off more than they can chew. Watch this. Here's Fluffy, aiming for the countertop. His jump? Ambitious. The result? A graceful flop. Next, witness Whiskers, the curtain climber. His ascent seems victorious until gravity wins again. Now, observe Mittens. She eyes the fishbowl, leaps, and misjudges. Splashdown in 3, 2, 1. Lastly, Tigger tackles the toilet paper fortress. His determination is unmatched, his success? Not so much.